The triangle of social classes. On my background is the triangle of social classes. This triangle represents the social structure of our world. This is divided into three major classes: the upper class, the middle class, and the lower class. Each level of this triangle shows not only the differences in wealth and power, but also how every class depends on the others to keep society functioning. At the very top of the triangle is the upper class. This group is composed of rich and powerful, like business tycoons, political leaders, and influential figures, who often control the economy and make the biggest decisions in society. Their lifestyle often represents luxury and privilege, but their power also carries great responsibility. The decisions they make can affect millions of lives. In the middle section is the middle class, also known as the working class. These are the people who keep the world running day by day. They are professionals, skilled workers, teachers, nurses, engineers, and small business owners. They may not hold massive wealth, but they have stable jobs and play an essential role in maintaining the economy and public services. At the base of the triangle lies the lower class. These are people who often struggle with financial instability. Many earn minimum wage, work in farms or fisheries, or rely on government support. This triangle may seem to highlight inequality, but it also reveals an important truth. Every class is connected. The upper class depends on the middle class to run businesses and manage systems. The middle class relies on the lower class for labor and essential work, and all three depend on each other to keep the world balanced and moving forward. In the end, while the triangle reminds us of the gap between classes, it also teaches us about interdependence. That no matter where we stand, every person plays a role in building and sustaining our society.